Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful freehand color block nail design. So I already painted my nails with a sheer pink polish, and I'm just going to swipe on different colors. I'm using like bright colors. Springtime is around the corner, and I'm just tired of using more dark colors. I'm ready to use my crazy colorful nail polishes. So I'm using like neon pinks and oranges, yellows, and I'm going to use a more softer, this is like a mint green polish. You can add as many little swipes as you want to, but remember that you have to outline the design. So try to give it, some space in between it. It's also a cool negative space design on top of it. So then I'm going to do is I'm using my black nail striper, and I'm just going to outline the design. I just want to cover up any mistakes that I did, and I just love the look of it. This is a really, I hope I made it easy and simple to recreate. It's just something really fun and really a colorful nail design. I really did like how it came out. It's just something really cool about it. I just feel that there's a cool look to it. Now take your time doing it. You can use a nail brush with black polish. It's all up to you. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.